We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was exactly within here, I mentioned I'm looking for the reversal. That's why I mentioned if you get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. And even we consider this one as a three-wave internal flat. That's why I mentioned we can expect to get one move up similar to what we get here. And this is what we get. And right now, for those traders, they get the trade within this move. If they put their fib here, the price almost break 27, following by 61% as the first and the second target. That's why for those traders, if they want to take out the trade in the profit, this is the times. But if for those traders, if they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. Now we want to see what's the next. We move to daily chart and we want to see what we have been looking for. Anyway, we have been looking for the reversal, and what we can see here, we are within this correction. Can we, because we mentioned we can expect this one tentative flat for one more drop before we get the reversal. We didn't get one more drop for the lean, this coin. And the only thing is whether it's still we can expect this one tentative flat for one more drop before we get the reversal, or this is the start of the up move. Anyway, from now, if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. But we should know that if it's not moving, we should know about the second possibility that it may give us one more drop. And we don't see the reversal point based on 1 hour chart. Anyway, if you refer to my last analysis, I mentioned if you get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. And this is what we're looking for. All right, first, we want to see the breakout of 26.5 following by 27.8. And for sure, if the price break this zone, then mostly we can look for continuation, because if the price can enter the previous this zone, which is a previous correction. All right, but if we don't see the continuation, if the price to consolidate here, then we should know that this one can turn to flat as a correction in relative to this, and we can expect this one turn to flat, running flat for one more drop. That's why we need to be quite careful. I don't mean we have to wait for one more drop before we take the reversal. From now, if we get any trade setup for buy, we'll take it, but we need to be quite careful about this option, because internally we can see the three-way flat as a 1, 2, 3 in the bigger picture. This is how we can look at the chart in this week. All right, at this time. Anyway, we don't see any trade setup for based on forward chart, and for those traders, they get the trade within this range, at least move their stop loss to break even, and we want to see whether we can look for continuation or not. That's why we're looking for 26.5 and 27.8. And how about if we move to 1 hour chart? Even based on 1 hour chart, we don't see the reversal. The divergence based on the indicators. The only thing is, if he wants to look for buy from now, we need to be quite careful. And if he wants to look for buy, at least we need to get a flag or correction for next move. Because even for this one, we can look for as a 1, 2, 3. All right. But since we don't see the divergence, still we can expect if we get the correction, we can look for next trade. Anyway, we cannot buy simply without the trade setup. We need to be quite careful, because in the bigger picture, we can expect this one turn to a correction. And what we're looking for is still we're looking for continuation. The only thing is we need to get the trade setup. And for those traders, the only update is for those traders, they get the trade within this, at least move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade or book some profit. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.